Okay, so today we are going to solve some Hackerrank questions, and this is my first live stream, so let's hope you enjoyed it. Okay, so this is my Hackerrank, and I'm currently doing problem solving. I'm 5-star, and I usually do problems in Python. Okay, so this is first question for today. Let's read it. What it says. Okay, so there is a password, and to satisfy it, if it is strong or not. These all are the constraints for it. Okay, in input there will be a first integer, and then second line contain password string. Okay, so let's look at the sample input 3, these 3. Okay, so we require at least 6 length, 1 digit, 1 lower, 1 upper, and a special character. So here there is a lower, upper, and digit. So we require a length of 3 characters, then 1 special character. So for special we add 1, then 4, and minimum we require another 2 characters. So answer is 3. Okay, for that one there is a special character, upper, lower, then we left out 1 digit, so for that the output is 1. Okay, so it's a very easy question, and hope you understand what it says. Okay, so first of all the length is n, and you get a string as a password. So I think let's take a flag for it, like first of all just say unique character, then digit, upper character, and 1 lower character. Now we go through the string. So see, so first of all we check each character, and if it is in uppercase, any one of them, then we set the flag to true. We do all these things for all other things. So I'll see if if lower is true, then okay, how we use numeric, then digit is true. Okay, so we take one list here which contain all the special character which already given. Copy this and paste it over here. So so this is a list contain all the special character. Unique list, right? If I in unique list, then we set unique character to true. After that we check the Okay, so when it's true, then we also add one character. So let's take count equal to already we have given n. We need to check the length after adding these. What we do now, like we check all this, but what if it fails? Okay. If it's to then pass, I'll add one. Here take one counter equal to 0. Sorry, my bad. Is not true. Then increment counter by 1, which we have defined here. Here check for not true. I'm just copying this one. And the last one is digit. After that we are adding the value of counter to a, so n equal to counter, right? Now return. No, first of all we need to check that the length is, after adding it, if length of n is greater than or equal to 6, then return counter, else we have to return 6 minus n. Okay, perfect, because the length is less than 6. I think it works perfectly. Let's check. Okay, it's integer, my bad. Okay, first test case failed, second one is correct. So my output is 2y. There is a one upper, lower, and digit. I guess digit is not working here. I'm going to print the value of counter here. Okay, it will only once. Okay, only unique character is remaining. So there will be 4. Okay, length is 4, but which is 6 minus n is equal to 2. No. Okay, to return this plus value of counter, whatever it is. Okay, I think it's perfect. Okay. It's lots of error. Half of the test cases is passed, but I will say let's unlock in and check it out. Okay, these all are digits, so we need to add 3 more character, right? Let's test custom input. Why it's printing counter is equal to 1? Okay, I am not able to solve what's wrong here. So probably we need output as 3, right? 1 and 5 only. Counter is 1. It means only 1 is correct. Okay. Perfect. Okay, as you can see, all test cases are passed. Okay, we got a 15 points here. Now let's go to the next problem. This is a simple, very simple one, Scissor Cipher. If you are in third year of engineering, then you might know what is a Scissor Cipher and you can easily solve it in C or C++. But as part of it, I am going to solve it in Python3. So what is it? It is basically like you have given one string and one key. You have to rotate the character by the given key. So it's a very simple one. Here you can see the simple input is this. By adding the key 2, you can get the output this. I think I'm going to skip this one because there is no any difficulty in this. It's a very easy one. Okay, let's go to the next one. Problem name is Mars Exploration. So let's read it. Okay, so the problem states that we have given one string which contained the message irrespective of SOS, but during the transmission there are some errors and it will change message to like SPS or SOR, something like that. So we have to calculate number of changed messages, like change messages. So here, as you can see, there is a one SOS. All messages contain SOS, but this one is, so this is first one, this is the second one, this is the third one. Let's check it out. The length of string is between 99, and always when you find modulo, then it will equal to 0. So I think this is very easy one. I think we can do it. Use this like for S, start with I plus 1. I'm going to explain this logic after some time. Just wait a second. For I in S, so in of 0 to length of S and skip character by 3. I'm just trying to print this error. Let's check it out what it does. Wait, my bad. Oh, syntax error, wait. Oh. Okay, we need this character of s in x, and now print x. Okay, so you can see I divided string into the part of 3. Now it's a very easy one. Just the single if else loop. If this not match with SOS, increment counter by 1. So yeah, that's my code. Okay. As you can see, they give constraint that it will contain all in uppercase, so don't worry about the lowercase one. Just write the hard coded SOS. It will do. You have to define counter here. And return it. Okay. Submit it. There is error. Check it with custom input. Okay, my output is 5. What is the actual output? 12. First, then this second one, third, 4, 5. Okay, the output is 5. Is there any constraint I missed out? All SOS, then it will return 0. No worries about it. Like if it's not SOS, then it will return 0. I don't know why it's wrong. No. Okay, I need to calculate the missing characters of it. Okay, my bad. So here O is missing, and here O, and here one S. Okay. So we cannot apply this kind of logic over here. So if it is not, then just increment by 3. It's simple one. All characters are misplaced. Else if I of 0 not equal to S. Okay, all What about 2? Like first one and right? If whole I is not matches this one, then do this and then pass the loop. Otherwise, check for all the single character. Okay. It's right. So for this one, do the split 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so if whole string is not matches, then just increment counter by 1 and increment the value of I. Otherwise, check for each and every one of these and increment the counter accordingly. Still the output is 9, right? Okay, I need to change. First time it will take SOS, so not equal to 120. Let's check this out, right? So I will not print SOT, print SOS over here. It's my, but I think there is some fault in the code. Let me check it out again.